Have you ever stopped to think that maybe your mind is far more powerful than you realize? What if I told you it can even heal your body, even when the medicine you took had absolutely no active ingredient? Sounds impossible, right? But get ready, because today you'll discover the fascinating power of the placebo effect, one of the most mysterious and shocking phenomena in psychology and neuroscience. And more than that, you'll see how this hidden force of the mind can change your health, your emotions, and maybe even your entire life. Welcome to CurioSphere, where we uncover the secrets that reality doesn't want you to see. In this video, we'll break down what the placebo effect really is, how it rewires the brain, the most unbelievable experiments ever recorded, and how you can harness this strange power in your daily life. Stay until the end, because what you're about to hear may forever change the way you see your body and your mind. Let's start simple. The placebo effect happens when you take a pill, an injection, or even undergo a procedure, but it contains no active substance at all. It's basically a fake treatment. And yet, your body often responds as if it were real. Less pain, less anxiety, more energy, sometimes even measurable physical improvements. And here's the wild part. In clinical studies, placebo responses appear in over 50% of patients. In chronic pain trials, as many as 60% of participants reported relief from nothing but sugar pills. This isn't imagination. It's your brain literally changing the way your body reacts. But how? How can something fake cause such real changes? The answer lies in expectation. When you believe something will work, your brain releases real chemicals that alter your body. For example, placebos can trigger brain regions that release natural painkillers, the brain's own homemade version of morphine. So, when you take a fake pill believing it's real, your brain actually reduces pain. But it goes further. The placebo effect influences the nervous system, modulates the immune system, and even shifts neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin. In some depression trials, 25 to 60% of patients improved with placebo alone, proving that expectation alone generates much of the healing effect. And here's the twist. It doesn't even require deception. In 2022, Swiss researchers tested an open-label placebo. That means patients were told up front, this pill has no active ingredient, and yet results showed up to 50% improvement compared to traditional placebo. Meaning, even when you know it's fake, the ritual, the intention, the environment still trigger real biological changes. Some experiments sound straight out of science fiction. In one trial, patients with severe knee pain were split into two groups. One had the real surgery. The other had a fake surgery. What it means that doctors simply opened and closed the knee without doing anything inside. The result? Both groups improved equally. The expectation of surgery alone kick-started the healing process. Even details matter. In headache studies, colored, branded placebo pills worked better than plain white ones. It's not just the pill, it's the entire ritual of belief. And it gets stranger. Some studies show placebo effects reducing inflammation and even improving symptoms of autoimmune diseases. This isn't just psychological, it's a mind-body loop, measurable in blood tests. But beware, there's a dark side too, the nocebo effect, when negative expectations create harmful outcomes. Patients told a drug might cause nausea often reported nausea, even when they only received a placebo. This proves one thing. Positive beliefs can heal, but negative beliefs can literally make us sick. So how can you use this power in daily life? First, expectations matter. Believe a habit or practice will help you and your body is far more likely to respond. Second, the environment matters. Rituals, supportive people, positive words, all amplify the effect, just like the color of a pill. Third, awareness is power. Knowing that the mind shapes the body opens the door to visualization, affirmations, and self-belief. The placebo effect is hard science showing us one truth. Belief isn't just in your head. It shapes your biology. So think about this. If a sugar pill can spark real healing, what could you achieve if you truly put your mind in the right place? The placebo effect isn't magic. It's proof that the mind doesn't just interpret reality, it creates it. If this video opened your mind, make sure to subscribe to CurioSphere for more mysteries of the brain, the body, and the hidden forces shaping our world.